Hello everyone, this is OSAs and I'll be showing you guys how I would have been able to avoid this loss on the Forex market despite price going to my right direction but just getting stopped out by a pips of two. So here's exactly the trade at the moment currently, which is might be around 300% retreat already. So I'm going to show you guys the how I got in this trade and I wasn't able to capitalize on it. So let me take the price action back to where I saw it around here, which was on Monday. Yeah, okay. So when I came to the market on 50 minutes, I looked at where the price action is currently. Sorry, let me go to an hour, which will be better and clearer for you guys. So basically, this is where I got the market at. Then let's quickly just go straight to the point, and you can see 50% of this, where the price action is at the moment, is below what the 50% of this range. So clearly the price action came sweeping out a certain liquidity right here. I could say this. After taking this out, I saw the market, so I was expecting a pullback, maybe a pullback to the 50% of this range, taking here as my what CP1. That was my target. So with that in mind, I said, okay, let me go look at what the 1 minute time frame has to offer for me. So I went to 15 minutes time frame and I was clearly looking out for a structural shift. Then I went lower to the 1 minute time frame. On the 1 minute time frame, when I looked at the price action, I got a shift right here. Sorry, yeah, right here, a shift in structure. But at this point in time, I wasn't at the chart. I wasn't present at the chart. If not, I might be able to have capitalized on it properly without faking my losses. So this was what I envisioned. Firstly, marking it as my TP1. Then when I looked the market at this present time around 1 to towards 3 o'clock, towards this area, I left the market without setting any alert. Then what I found out in the price action is that it gave me what? A BOS right here. Yeah, this level, I think. Yeah, this level. Gave me a BOS on 1 minute time frame. So that gave me a clearer picture. Firstly, a clearer picture of when to insert or where to look for my inducement to place my buy. I lay out my 50% fib, which I always do to look at my inducement, but I didn't have any inducement below what the 50%. I didn't have anyone. The only inducement that I saw was this right here. So marking here as an inducement, the best thing I should have done was placing my entry right here and my stop loss. You can see there is an imbalance right here after this low. There is also an imbalance, the last imbalance in this range, because this is my low, the low I was supposed to put my SL, but there was an imbalance right here which I might have just dropped my SL to this level, or let me say to this level, to fill out all the imbalance right here, to cover all the imbalance. Here might be the safest option. Let me go to 5 minutes to see what the price action is showing me. Yeah, you can see there is literally an imbalance right here. Yeah, placing it right here where this imbalance stop might be okay. It's nice, or you could decide to cover it, but let's put it below this. Yeah, it's perfect. So I would have been able to do this and have my target right here, which should have given my SL a room for it to run. So when the market, I wasn't at home, so when I came back, the trade, because I didn't set sell limits, I saw the markets right here. Coming, yeah, I saw the markets right here. I got in the market right here, putting my SL right here. with no room because I didn't enter the right inducement level, which if I had entered here, I think I would have given enough room for my SL. Yeah, definitely I would have done that. So I think I was looking for about a 4 hour. Yeah. Okay, 5 hours. It was going to get to a 5 hour. I think, yeah, right here. I got in because I think it was 11 pips stop loss. Yeah, right here. I got in right here. So this was the trade. I would have used the right one that would have kept me in this trade up to this moment, but I didn't because I wasn't present at that moment. So when I came, I found out my inducement. I marked it. I was like, oh, I missed this trade, so let me get in because it's still closer to my entry, but I wasn't able to cover my essay properly because I don't know how the market was going to react right there. I was expecting it from here to just go to create a new high. I didn't because price is price. You just have to play the safer game sometimes to give your SF some room for it to run. So the market was moving fine right here. So I left it about almost some good profits. I left it right there. So towards 8-9 in Nigeria time, I came looking at the market. I'm coming. Let me increase the speed. So about 5 minutes. Yep, you see, it stopped me out right here. Yeah, this is why I got stopped out on my MT4 right here. Then I woke up this morning and found out that the price was still in profit if I had put my SL below here. You see, if I had put my SL right here, I would have been able to avoid the stop hunt from the market. You see, so if I had been on time yesterday to take the right thing and to give my SL enough room, currently I would have been about 3 hours, yeah, 400% in profit. You can see that. And I think that would have been my TP1 if I've been on sets, but I wasn't and I got stopped out. Definitely did follow my trading plan, but I got stopped out. That's price action for you. So I hope you might be able to learn one or two things from this trade. It's so simple. Check my structure if I'm having a structure shift. Check the direction. If the range that created the reversal, I'm expecting to take that trade for that range not to cross above the 50% fee, which is this is what I mean. The range that created the reversal, I'm going to buy. You get me? I'm looking majorly to buy that trade to this level, the 50% fee. But it's better for me to take my profit on the last major trading high to the trading low, which is right here. So that's that. I'll see you another time. Like and subscribe if it's the first time joining me right here. Share with your friends and maybe you guys could learn one or two from it. Thanks.